Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Coda also says hi. He's right here with me. He's super nosy all the time. But welcome back to another video. I really wanted to do an apartment tour today. I realized that I've never done like an official apartment tour. When we first moved into this place, I did just like an empty apartment tour and I was always doing apartment updates. So I wanted to film an entire apartment tour and kind of show where everything is from and just do a more in-depth video. So that's what we're gonna do today. But before I get into the video, I wanted to thank Ana Luisa for partnering with me on today's video. If you've watched any of my videos, you would know that I'm obsessed with Ana Luisa. I wear their jewelry every single day. Before I keep going, I have to show how Coda is sitting. It's so funny. I'm filming on the coffee table and he's literally standing on the coffee table. You can't see because it's backlit, but he's so funny. So they sent me over 3 different pieces, but I'm gonna show you some of the pieces that I already have because like I said, I wear their jewelry pretty much every single day. It's such good quality. It lasts so well. I've never had an issue with it tarnishing like you get with cheaper jewelry. This does not do that, and it's at such an affordable price. I feel like you can't pass it up because you don't have to spend like a ton of money to get really good quality jewelry that Ana Luisa has. So the first thing that I'm gonna show are these little earrings. I'm obsessed with this earrings. I gotta pick like a couple of different things and I was really hoping they would send me these, and they did. I feel like these are just the perfect like staple earring to just wear every day, and these are the ones that I was wearing today. I like to wear these ones in my second hoops, or like my second hole, because they're not too big and I feel like they're just like the perfect size. Or if I want just like a super casual outfit, I'll just wear these on their own and they're still super cute. And I'll show up close videos of each of the pieces so you guys can see what they look like up close. So that's the first pair of earrings. And then I also got just this super dainty chain necklace, and I love chains like this because they literally go with everything. This is also another piece that I was wearing today all day. I feel like necklaces like this just layer really nice, and I like how you can make it like shorter or longer with the 3 different chain lengths. So I love this one. I get so much use out of it. And then the last piece I got is also another necklace, and this one is also just like a basic dainty chain, and you'll be able to see up close because they kind of look the same from far away, but this one has these little gold bars on it. You'll be able to see when I show it up close, but I feel like this one's a little bit more fancy looking, and I like to dress this one up a little bit more. But I do like to wear both of these together because this one's a little bit shorter and this one is just like a longer length. So I feel like when you pair these together, they just look super cute. And this one, since it has the gold bars, it makes it look almost just like shinier, which I love. I've been getting so much use out of both of these, wearing them together and wearing them separately. So those are the 3 pieces that they recently sent me. But then the other piece I wanted to show you guys is this necklace. I've definitely showed this necklace in one of my previous videos, but it's just like a pendant necklace with a Scorpio on it, and I'm obsessed with it. And I've been wearing this one for probably like 6 months, and it has no tarnishing. All of their pieces start at just $39, which, like I said, is such a good price point for the quality of jewelry that you're getting. Everything is such high quality and it's gonna last you such a long time. And they also do free shipping everywhere in the US. The shipping was so fast. I think my package got here in like 2 days. It was crazy. I love when you don't have to wait like weeks for a package. So they do fast and free shipping. So yeah, thank you again to Ana Luisa for partnering with me on today's video. Definitely check out some of their pieces and their website. I'll have everything listed down below in the description box and all of the pieces that I have. So definitely check them out. Okay, so now for the apartment tour. This is the front door where you walk in, and then you walk in and it looks in on the kitchen and the living room. I think my favorite thing about this apartment is the kitchen. I'm so obsessed with it. I love how big the island is. I feel like it doesn't even show how big it is on camera. It's really big in person, and I love the color of the cabinets. Like if I could pick and design my own kitchen, I would want these color cabinets. I don't know if the color really picks up on camera, but they're kind of like a light gray white wood, and then the floors are also like a darker gray. So that's kind of like the color scheme that I went with this apartment. I just did grays, whites, and then little accents of black throughout the apartment. And I really liked how it turned out. I feel like it's so cozy, especially at night with just like these top lights on. It gets so cozy in here. But yeah, so this is the kitchen. These bar stools are from CB2. We have 3 of them. These are definitely not the most comfortable things, but bar stools were the hardest thing to find when I was looking for furniture for this apartment. And I found these on CB2, and I mean, they hold up really, really nicely. And I like the color of them and everything, but they're definitely not the most comfortable, but we only sit on them to eat, so it definitely works. And then over here is just the fridge and cabinets, and all of these right here are all cabinets that open. I'm not gonna open every single one of them, but you just like push on them and then they open. So there's a ton of storage in this apartment, and most of this like we use for kitchen stuff, like pots and pans and food and everything. But then these top ones I kind of use for like cleaning supplies and just things that I don't really have enough room for everywhere else. So there's a ton of storage in this apartment, which I really, really love. So fridge and freezer, and then pantry, the knife set, and Coda's treats. And then I love the lights underneath the kitchen. I feel like that adds a nice little touch. Dishwasher over here. These are all cabinets. And then under here is where we keep like the pots and pans and all of like the bigger things. The air fryer is under there. So then going over into the living room, we have Coda's bed over here. And these 2 doors, this one's the washer and the dryer. It's a really nice washer and dryer, and we were actually the first people to live in this apartment, which is so nice. Then this one is just like the air conditioner, and I keep the vacuum and broom and everything like that in that cabinet. And this is the living room. I'm obsessed with the living room. I kind of set the living room up around these 2 chairs because I bought these chairs and I was like, I have to find somewhere to put in the apartment. So I'm really glad that they fit, because I was a little worried that, because we bought all of the furniture before we even saw this place. So I was a little worried that everything wasn't gonna fit, but it literally fits perfectly. So the gray chairs kind of tie in with the gray in the apartment, and then everything else I just did kind of white. So the couch is the Restoration Hardware Cloud couch. It's not the sectional or anything. This is just the, I think it's like the love bench or something like that, but this is the comfiest couch in the entire world. And I was worried about having a white couch at first, but it's a slipcover couch, so you can take every single piece off and wash it, and I've done it like 2 or 3 times before. So if there's ever like a stain or anything, and you can spot treat it too. So like if just something little gets on it and you don't want to take everything off, it's super, super easy to clean. And we've had it for a year and it literally looks brand new. You do have to fluff it a lot to make it look like this fluffy, because when someone sits in it, it kind of like shows the imprints of where people sit, but it's so worth it because it is so comfortable. And then over here's the coffee table. I used to have a lot more things on the coffee table, but when we got Coda, he started like chewing the coffee table books and they just were not working. So I don't even know why I have that bowl still there, because it used to just be plain, like we didn't have anything on the coffee table. So that's why that random bowl is there, because I used to have other things, but I had to throw the coffee table books away. And then this is the TV stand. This is from IKEA. Oh, and then the coffee table is from Crate & Barrel. And it looks like it's a super heavy cement coffee table, but it's like, I don't know what this material is, but it's actually really light, which is nice. So then when I'm cleaning, I can just move it myself, but it looks like one of those like really expensive cement coffee tables. But yeah, this is from IKEA. I'm not obsessed with this TV stand, but I just wanted something plain and white, so it's definitely worked for us. But this is probably like the one piece that I'm not like super obsessed with. I mean, it is nice. These open so we can just keep some extra storage in there. And I just don't love these shelves. I feel like they're kind of hard to decorate. And Coda, you can kind of see over here, when he was a puppy, he chewed the corner right there. So, I mean, this was probably like the least expensive thing, so it's not the biggest deal. But then the TV, and over in the corner we have this mirror. I love this mirror. It's actually from Walmart, and I love how you can like see the living room from the mirror. I think it's really, really cute. This is from Walmart and it was very affordable. I can't remember how much it was because I bought it so long ago, but I think it was like 100 bucks maybe. I don't know. It was a very good price because it's huge. Like it goes almost all the way up to the ceiling. So I was really excited when I found this mirror, and I love the black frame around it. So I love that mirror. And I also love these windows because you can see outside really nicely and there's a really nice view. It's kind of overcast and cloudy today, but it just lets in a lot of natural light, which I really like. And we have a huge balcony like patio thing, which is good because Coda, I mean, he's not out there as much anymore because it's been so hot outside. But here, I'll open it to show you how big it actually is over there. And we don't have any furniture or anything out there because we kind of just kept pushing it off when we first moved in. We didn't know what we wanted. So I was just trying to find a couple of things, but then it just got like too late, and then we ended up getting Coda. And it's just so hot to sit outside anyways, like to eat dinner or something up here because you don't get much of a breeze. So we ended up not getting any furniture out here. And then all of Coda's toys are out there too. So it's kind of just like Coda's little area. So yeah, that's the balcony and living room. Here's Coda over here. He just went to the bathroom. So then it brings you into the bedroom, and the bedroom is very white. I didn't want too many like colors or anything, so that's why I did the black lamps to do just like an accent and touch of black so it's not completely white. And then the balcony also connects to the bedroom, so you can open those doors over there. And we used to have like really pretty sheer curtains. I had 2 sets of them on each side, so they were really like thick and full. And the curtain rod fell just because it was one of those like tension rods and it just wasn't really working, and we never hung it back up. And our lease is almost up here, so we didn't want to buy a whole new curtain rod, and so we just left them down. But when the curtains were up, it was so pretty and it made it just so cozy in here. I was obsessed with it. So yeah, there was curtains there before, but there's not anymore. And over here is just the dresser and the TV. This dresser is also from IKEA. I love this dresser. It holds so much, and I feel like it's such good quality because I feel like the TV stand that I was just talking about isn't like the best quality, but this one feels really nice and I love how it looks, and it just holds up really nicely. And yeah, the windows, the bed frame is from Soft Frame. It's kind of like the Restoration Hardware like cloud bed dupe, so it's like a fraction of the price, but it still kind of gives like the same vibe. And our nightstands are also from IKEA. I love those as well. And the lamps are from Target. So yeah, that's the bedroom. And over here there's just like a little coat closet. I keep my sweatshirts and jackets and stuff in here. I don't know what I would do if I didn't have this closet because it holds all of my sweatshirts that don't fit in the actual closet, which is right here. So the closet's a pretty good size. I'm not gonna go like completely through it because it's kind of messy, but that's the closet. And then there's this hallway that connects the bathroom to the bedroom. Okay, so that's everything in the bedroom. Oh, my bedding is from Brooklinen also. It's kind of a little like wrinkly because I just washed it last night and I didn't take it out of the dryer right away, so I feel like it got a little bit wrinkly, but I love this duvet. I think it's just really clean and crisp. And yeah, everything else is Brooklinen. And then these pillows are Restoration Hardware. So yeah, that's everything in the bedroom. And then lastly is the bathroom. So I love this bathroom. I feel like it's just so simple and modern, and I love when you turn the light on, it gives you this big like makeup light. It's perfect for doing your makeup, and you can also like change the color depending on what you want, or you can just turn it off. So I love this mirror. I do wish we had like a double sink situation, but we just have one. But there's so much storage in the bathroom, which is nice because I have a lot of like bathroom stuff and hair stuff. So we keep just towels in here, extra stuff down there like my hair tools and everything. And then I keep all my skincare and makeup in all of those drawers. And then just the toilet and bathtub, and that was something that was like really important when we were looking for apartments, was that we had a bathtub shower. I didn't want just like a standing shower because I take baths a lot. So I definitely needed something that had a bathtub and shower. So this is perfect, and I love this shower. We only have a shower like liner because I never found a curtain, and at this point I'm not gonna get another curtain, but I might need to change out just the liner because it's kind of getting a little bit gross. But yeah, this is where Coda lays a lot. Okay, but that is going to complete this apartment tour. Everything that I talked about, I will have listed down below in the description box in case you guys want to check anything out. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.